Good afternoon, Sandip. Welcome. Yeah, hi. Welcome to Smart SMB stand. So to start with, if you can tell me about, what is the focus of SUSE at this year's edition of JITEX?
SUSE is coming out with innovative emerging technologies which are fully baked and they cover the entire spectrum of society from an individual to an SMB to an enterprise in their journey at whichever point they start the digital transformation and application modernization. We do have products and services for each one of them. Digital transformation is a word that can be interpreted by different customers, different size, different industry verticals in a different manner. For me, particularly, it would be the way we conduct our business, the way we present ourselves to our customers and their customers. This requires typically a mindset change and a process change, which generates the workflow changes. And how much agility we can bring into these processes is all about digital transformation. Now, these could be manual processes, or these could be omni-channel, whether it's mobile, online, internet, whatever be the venue or go-to-market. The ultimate is the agility and the flexibility that you want to bring because of a need, because of a circumstance, because of the situation, because of the market dynamics. How good are you to bring in those changes very, very quickly for the benefit of the business? So SUSE could be present in various layers. So once we say the physical layer of the IT, which is server, storage, networking, to all the way to the applications where a particular application meets the demands of a particular job that a customer or an enterprise requires. We provide products from the entire lower end, from the physical layer to the application management layer. You can mix and match, which means you can bring the best of breed products. You can have it all SUSE. We have the entire range, but we do not insist, unlike our competitors, that a customer is bound or locked in because we are an open source company. And open source necessarily means you consume what you like from us, and then it integrates with everything else in the world. That's the vision of open source. There are specific things that we do in the mid-market segment. One is the management of the cloud VMs. So you could have your compute or your IT spread over different types of clouds. You are consuming certain applications like Salesforce.com, some CRM packages, some marketing packages, some billing packages, Office 365. All of these, even a mid-market consumes, and they consume it over cloud these days. We could provide a management of all this on-premise or cloud, private cloud, public cloud, geographical clouds. The management of all your IT could be done from a single pane. So that's something that a mid-market segment really appreciates. The second is the focus on the edge devices. The edge is now a commodity. And that culture and the vision of bring your own device to consume the IT is very much alive. People want to have their own devices and meet the standards, whether you are a small or a large, whether you are a school, you are a university, you are a public sector. So we provide what we call Linux for desktop and the smart solutions for mid-market segments, which enables to lowers their cost of ownership, cost of operations, as well as bring in far more security into their environment at a much lower cost. We are gaining traction. There is a mindset to do a few things in a particular way, and it takes a little bit of time, whether it's enterprise or whether it's mid-market. People are wary always of the emerging technologies. The moment the word emerging and new technologies come, it's a change. It's a mindset change. We are glad that the change is coming in pretty fast. We ourselves are growing 30% year on year in the region. And I expect the rate to continue for another 5 years.